What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can connect OpenAI's new agent builder to make.com, allowing you to connect any of your automations and use those directly in the new agent builder. The reason you want to do this is because currently in the agent builder there are only so many tools. I think they have less than 20 tools total. So by connecting make.com to your AI agents, you'll be able to call on any tool out there. So by the end of the video, you'll have your agent calling make.com and you'll be leveraging your make.com scenarios directly in OpenAI's new agent builder. Let's hop right into it. All right, so here is the agent builder UI right here. What you're going to do is you're going to create a new workflow. The way that you actually connect make.com is by an MCP server. So you pull this out, you go in and add one. Make.com currently is not in here. What they have is Zapier. That's the only automation tool that I'm aware of that exists. So what you need to do is add your own server here. Okay. And then once you're here, you actually go into make.com, click on your profile, go to profile. Once you're in here, you're going to go to API access. You're going to create a new token. I'm going to add a new token. You're going to scroll down to MCP. Here it is, MCP use. You can label it however you want. I'm going to call this the agent builder. Okay, add that in. I have my token generated. The next thing you want to do is you're going to go to OpenAI. The URL that you're going to use is going to be a reflection of whatever country you're in and whatever this URL looks like. So for me, I'm in the US, it's version 2. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this URL right here. I'll paste this down below in the video description so you can grab that. You paste that in. If you go back to what my URL looks like in make.com, I have US2, so US version 2. What ChatGPT gave me was US version 1. I'm going to change this to 2. And then you actually take your token and you place it right in here, in between those two dashes. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. I'm going to go in. I'm going to paste it right there. And I'm also going to paste that token down here. Okay, we can leave this as it is. Access token. And then all I have to do is name it whatever I want. I'll call it my make_MCP and make.com connection. Okay, and all you have to do is connect. It takes a minute or two. And just like that, I am correctly connected to make.com, and now I can call on any automation that I create. One thing to note that your make.com scenarios have to be on demand, just like when you're creating AI agents within make.com. So good luck creating your AI agents. If this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, hit like, hit subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos about AI automations, AI agents, make.com, and more on the new agent builder. So thanks for watching.